Hello everyone, so today we have our most flourishing alumni from the batch of 2023. Meet Aditya Naman Singh sir. Hello sir, we are very happy to welcome back you in campus.
Hi.
Hello sir, how you're feeling coming back to campus again?
It's very nostalgic. Everything has been changed now. The first thing, it was first a college, now it's a university where every student has everything to experience it up. Live labs are there to just experience things up. So yeah, अच्छा लग रहा है. 2-3 बच्चों से बात करी, वो भी बहुत एक्सपीरियंस लग रहे थे. एंड वो एक होता है कि एक्सपीरियंस फ्रेशर एक टैग होता है, उसके साथ हम लर्न कर रहे हैं, ग्रो कर रहे हैं. अच्छा.
And what is the one moment that was most influencing to your life when you were in the campus?
So influencing, there were many moments. Day on Science Day, उस दिन we just got first the prize, and on that particular first day, it just stood me up to experience something of startup or something. I just created a startup, sold it up, and then right now I am Sunstream. Yeah.
Can you elaborate about that startup a little bit for our students?
So it was just a web development startup, and we just started with basic website designing, and we just created admin panels, struts, many things. More than a fully funded product, we just created up.
And which were the clubs you were included?
So I was there in Disha, the
Cultural
cultural committee, and then the coding clubs.
Yeah.
I was there.
Apart from your academics, what were your experience in the campus?
So experience in campus, so it was very jolly, nature friendly campus. So we used to just have a walk in lunch time and experience many more things. So the best thing is faculties. Just go, ask them what's the practical use, can we do it, and they just gave us something of that, online lab or something, and it was the best thing which we can just experience things up. So theory something जहाँ पर कोई रट सकता है, प्यार से पढ़ सकता है, पूरे रात को पढ़ के उसके बाद पेपर दे सकता है. But the practical knowledge और जो implementation है, वो सबसे important होती है. So which I got in my second, third years, and till I was in 4th year. Yes.
And can you please give a little insight about your life and your career journey to our students?
So I started the startup which I just
Yeah.
said. It was Cryptina, and from that particular day when I just started Cryptina, till now I have been learning, improving my skill set, innovating things up, right? So small projects will help you up for sure, and try to get some practical approaching projects, get things done, try to solve some small legacy owned processes to automations that will think you up. It will make you more innovative in nature, right? So for example, if a shop is having a register, and on that register people are doing a credit or debit thing, just make that automation to be right for a particular shop. Maybe it will help them to figure things out, right? And this is how, and you have now AI. So
Yeah.
AI is something which make you more productive, more powerful, more innovative. Maybe you would be needing 3-4 days to think things up. You can now do it in 3-4 prompts.
And what is the one message so you would like to give to our students?
So innovate, rethink, and try to solve small parts of things. AI is there, solve things up. वहाँ से maybe जो तुम 2-3 दिन लगाते थे to just think of a problem, वो आप लोग का solve हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
प्रॉम्प्ट्स दीजिए, सॉल्व कीजिए, हर दिन एक नया प्रॉब्लम लेके आइए, उसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करें. take help of teachers, take help of anything you can go for. Try to get into industry, get industry ready.
Yeah.
Because at last, आज के डेट पे, if any company is coming, they want experienced fresher, not just a fresher.
Yeah.
So yes, that's it.
Thank you so much, sir, for guiding our students. I know they are going to take all the guidance from you and become a very good freshers. Thank you so much.
Experienced freshers.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir, for guiding our students. They are surely going to be an experienced fresher like you when you entered the industry, and they are going to be successful like you.
Sure.
Thank you so much, sir.